Hi guys! Today I'm going to do my makeup. I've really been into doing a bit of a heavier makeup. Also, if you hear the sound in the background, one of my cats is playing with her like aluminium foil ball. It's great because she's distracted. It's been a very crazy, busy month, busy week, and I'm very grateful, very blessed, but I really miss doing this. Also, I think I'm gonna cut my hair, my fringe, later in the video. It's just a bit too long. I kind of miss having bangs. My base is always the same. It's this BB cream from Maybelline. I'm currently doing my makeup in the living room because it is so warm. Summer's literally here in Japan. Like, it's the last few days of rain, of like rainy season before we go full into summer. You can hear the cicadas in the trees. Okay. I don't usually drink fizzy drinks. This is my day off, so I'm gonna put my concealer on. I think this one's quite bright. It's fine. It brightens up my dark circles, even though I'm learning to love them. What's been going on? I guess the first thing to point out, in May I released my single Now or Never. So if you haven't listened to that, I directed the music video. I also edited it. Just recently I released my song with Zuma called, it's the remix version, and we have our friend Jordan on it and Ami, my girlfriend's on it. Also I have just released my new merch. I'm gonna go with kind of like this kind of color on the lids. I don't know, I think actually I'm just gonna play about today, have a little bit of fun, because usually when I'm doing my makeup, like dressing up and everything, I have a go-to makeup and I just do it like on automatic. And I'm not saying that that makeup's bad, but I want to actually experiment more with makeup and just have more fun. Especially because with my job, like, I either have really basic makeup or just some super crazy artistic makeup, but nothing that it's like, okay, well, what would I actually like? This is a little foil that my cat keeps throwing. It's literally a ball of aluminium. Scrunch it really tight so that it's a ball like this. So what else have I been up to? I've been working a lot with modeling. The last week was pretty intense. I'm using like a darker purple on the edge here. I'm gonna use the same purple under my eyes. And before I carry on my eyes, I want to do my face with my bronzer. I know people tell you to do it here, but I want my face to glow, so I do it here. I'm also going to use a little bit of a smaller brush. I don't usually contour my nose. Like I said, today's about being experimental. I want to emphasize my eyes right to the lash line. So I'm currently working on some new projects, music videos for a song I have out that does not have a music video, and it should have a music video. It's one of my favorite songs. I mean, all my songs are my favorite songs. They've all been like a part of me, a part of my growth. Oops, I made my eyebrows a little bit too dark today. Or maybe they just seem dark because I have dark makeup. Someone asked me before if I do anything to my eyebrows. The answer is no. I've stopped like plucking them. I think since from like 20 I stopped plucking them, which was a good call because I used to have much thicker eyebrows, but over plucking, making them super thin when I was like a very young teenager. Some people it does, you know, suit them, looks good. I'm gonna put just the tiniest bit of blush. It's time to curl these eyelashes. I've been thinking lately if I should also make some more videos in Portuguese, you know, because do ano passado que eu lancei vídeo falando em português e me dá muita saudade de falar em português. Eu não falo ele todos os dias, eu uso no dia a dia muito o japonês, o inglês, mas não o português. Então, so now I'm gonna put just my usual mascara. I'm actually gonna tightline my eye. The first time I ever wore makeup, I was 12. I was in Brazil. I remember me and my cousins were getting ready. My cousins used to do concealer and I was like, wow, what is this thing? Aside from lipstick, like my first attempt was eyeliner. And I was obsessed with always lining my eyes. I remember when I was like 14, 15, I actually used to wear like a full cat eye, like, you know, liquid eyeliner with like liner inside, and I was like so hardcore, man. And I used to do this every single day, and it was because I did it daily, it was just always perfect. I remember one of my French teachers in Portugal. I lived in Portugal at this time. I moved a lot. My teacher in Portugal, she was like, she pulled me to the side and she was like, Laura, eu quero te fazer uma pergunta. Isso é maquiagem ou é tatuagem? And I can see why she asked me, because she had makeup tattoo and she was tattooed. I remember looking at her and thinking she was such a cool teacher. But I'm going to go for something dark. Let's see how it looks. Might hate it. I have this MAC lip. Does anyone else sniff their makeup? I'm gonna layer it with this guy. Okay, so I kind of want to cut my fringe like I told you guys. So I think we need to move to the bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom. God, I look so cute though. But my fringe is a tiny, just the tiniest bit long. Should me look. I'm literally gonna die with this heat. Oh my god, I look so fucking emo. Okay, wow. Guys, the heat and humidity in Japan right now is just gross. So gross. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys liked experimenting with makeup with me. I really like it. It's really cool. It's definitely a full face of makeup. If you haven't, go stream my music. I will leave links down below. If I still have t-shirts, go check them out. They are limited. I only ordered a few. So yeah, and that's from me and Pomelo. Pomelo. Bye. Bye.